Hi there, Doug Stewart with IT Creations. We've got a special treat for you today. Today we're looking at the Southern California Linux Expo. This is all things geeketry related, and I think you're going to like it. Let's take a look.
Well, MySQL has been around for 20 some odd years. We were bought by Oracle 10 years ago when they acquired Sun Microsystems. It's a free open source database that you can download, runs on Windows, runs on Macs, runs on Linux. And if that's not good enough for you, we're also out there in FreeBSD, Docker images, and source codes available. We're the most popular database on the web, and we're used in everything from small church websites, school districts, up to things like Uber and Facebook and all that. So we tell people, so we tell people no one's actually scaled bigger than Facebook yet.
It's more like, what does Azure not do? Azure does a lot of different things. Basically, Azure has a lot of different pieces to it. Anything from being able to deploy your app, host your app, if you want to start getting involved with having security with your IoT systems, machine learning, there's a lot of different pieces of Azure. I'm newer to Microsoft. I've been here since December, and I've just kind of dove headfirst into Azure and learning all the things about it. And anything from virtual machines to storage to basically anything you would possibly need to host and manage a website or company, you can do through Azure.
So my name is Matt Atkin. This is SkySilk Cloud Services. I'm a project manager here. SkySilk is a completely open source Linux-based virtual private server platform. We offer compute resources in the cloud that are container-based, and we are a brand new cloud services company, which is why we have decided to attend Scale and try and get our name out there and let the world know what SkySilk is all about.
Red Hat is one of the most successful public companies around open source in the open source ecosystem. We are primarily known for our Red Hat Enterprise Linux product, which is a platform for many of our enterprise-ready applications. We're heavily involved in virtualization, container management, storage. We're also branching out into different areas. We're going beyond Linux, so we're doing artificial intelligence, and just a variety of different cutting edge technologies. Kubernetes and OpenShift, these are all part of our story now. So anything around enterprise management, we're part of that story for many different customers.
So we are an on-call and incident response tool. So we help teams respond to incidents faster by getting the right alert to the right person with a ton of rich context.
And here on the left, we've got the Pi Ladies from Los Angeles. They love to code, and I mean code a lot.
Linux Foundation is, think of it as we maintain the kernel. Linus Torvalds works with us, for us as well too. So Linux Foundation actually has...
Oh, he's here today too.
You guys.
Oh, okay.
So we are, think of it as the parent company to a lot of the projects that you see here, like CNCF and so forth.
They're all based, all of these products are pretty much based off the Linux kernel.
Correct. So we partner with them. They're a project underneath the whole, the foundation itself as the umbrella, as the parent company. And so, again, we do from everything from training, events, memberships. That's us.
I'm Sai Shruti. I'm working as a data scientist in IBM open source, which is called Codite. Center for Open Source Data and AI Technology. This is one of our projects called Model Asset Exchange. The goal is to take open source deep learning models, state-of-the-art models, and make it easy to consume. Just like how you use your telephone, we want to let people use AI just like how they use their telephone. So we take up the deep learning models, wrap it in Docker container, provide REST API, and people can actually go directly and get started with start building AI-powered applications.
So this is pretty much the end of the 17th annual Scale conference for us. We hope to see you next year, and thanks for watching.